Hello everyone, are you preparing for a Flutter interview? If yes, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll cover the top Flutter interview questions that are frequently asked in interviews. These questions are perfect for freshers as well as developers with up to 2 years of experience. Let's begin with the first question. Question 1. What is Flutter? Flutter is an open source UI toolkit developed by Google. It allows developers to build Android, iOS, web, Windows, Mac OS, and Linux applications using a single codebase. Flutter uses the Dart programming language and is known for its beautiful user interface, fast performance, and hot reload feature. Let's move to the next question. Question 2. Why should we use Flutter? Flutter allows developers to create applications for multiple platforms using a single codebase. It offers excellent performance, beautiful user interfaces, faster development with hot reload, and a rich collection of customizable widgets. Its strong community support and extensive package ecosystem also make development easier. Now let's continue. Question 3. What is Dart? Dart is the programming language used by Flutter. It is object-oriented, easy to learn, supports null safety, and is optimized for building fast, responsive applications. Dart is compiled into native machine code, which helps Flutter apps deliver excellent performance. Let's move on. Question 4. What is a widget? A widget is the basic building block of every Flutter application. Everything you see on the screen, including text, buttons, images, icons, layouts, and even the entire screen itself, is a widget. Flutter applications are built by combining many widgets together. Now here's the next question. Question 5. What are the two types of widgets in Flutter? Flutter has two main types of widgets, StatelessWidget and StatefulWidget. A stateless widget is used when the user interface does not change after it is created. A stateful widget is used when the user interface needs to update based on user interaction or changing data. Great! We've completed the first 5 Flutter interview questions. Let's continue with the next set of questions. Question 6. What is the difference between a stateless widget and a stateful widget? A stateless widget is used when the user interface does not change after it is created. A stateful widget is used when the data or user interface needs to change during the application's lifetime. For example, a logo or static text can be created using a stateless widget, while a counter app or login form is usually built with a stateful widget. Now let's move to the next question. Question 7. What is hot reload? Hot reload is one of Flutter's most popular features. It allows developers to see code changes almost instantly without restarting the application. The current state of the app is preserved, making development faster and more efficient. Let's continue. Question 8. What is hot restart? Hot restart completely restarts the Flutter application. Unlike hot reload, it removes the current application state and starts the app from the beginning. Developers usually use hot restart when major code changes require a full application restart. Now here's the next question. Question 9. What is the difference between hot reload and hot restart? Hot reload updates the user interface while keeping the application's current state. Hot restart restarts the entire application and removes the existing state. Hot reload is faster and is mainly used during development, while hot restart is used when a complete restart is required. Let's move on. Question 10. What is BuildContext? BuildContext represents the position of a widget inside Flutter's widget tree. It is used to access themes, navigation, media queries, inherited widgets, and many other resources available in the widget tree. Understanding BuildContext is essential for building Flutter applications effectively. Great! We've completed the first 10 Flutter interview questions. Let's continue with the next section. Question 11. What is MaterialApp? MaterialApp is the root widget used in most Flutter applications. It provides material design features such as themes, navigation, routes, localization, and much more. It acts as the foundation of a Flutter application's user interface. Let's move to the next question. Question 12. What is Scaffold? Scaffold is a widget that provides the basic structure of a material design screen. It includes commonly used components such as an app bar, body, drawer, floating action button, bottom navigation bar, and snack bar. Using Scaffold makes it easy to create a standard app layout. Now, let's continue. Question 13. What is the difference between a row and a column? A row arranges its child widgets horizontally from left to right. A column arranges its child widgets vertically from top to bottom. These two widgets are among the most commonly used layout widgets in Flutter. Let's move on. Question 14. What is a container widget? Container is one of the most flexible widgets in Flutter. It can be used to add padding, margin, alignment, width, height, background color, borders, and decoration to its child widget. Because of its versatility, Container is widely used in Flutter user interface design. Now here's the next question. Question 15. What is Expanded? Expanded is a widget that allows its child to occupy the remaining available space inside a row, column, or flex widget. It helps create responsive layouts by distributing available space efficiently among child widgets. Excellent! We've completed the first 15 Flutter interview questions. Let's move on to the final section. Question 16. What is Flexible? Flexible is similar to Expanded, but it allows its child widget to take only the space it needs while still participating in a flexible layout. It gives developers more control over how space is shared between widgets. Let's continue. Question 17. What is ListView? ListView is a scrollable widget used to display multiple items in a list. It is commonly used for long lists because users can scroll through the content smoothly. For better performance with large datasets, developers often use ListView.builder. Now, let's move to the next question. Question 18. What is the difference between ListView and column? A column displays all of its child widgets at once and is not scrollable by default. A list view is scrollable and builds widgets more efficiently, making it suitable for displaying long lists of data. Let's continue. Question 19. What is padding? Padding is used to create empty space inside a widget. It adds space between the widget's content and its boundary, improving the layout and making the user interface easier to read. Finally, the last question. Question 20. What is the center widget? The center widget positions its child exactly in the middle of the available space. It is commonly used to align text, images, buttons, and other widgets at the center of the screen. Congratulations! You've completed the top 20 Flutter interview questions. I hope this video helped you understand the core Flutter concepts asked in interviews. If you found this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to What to Learn Daily for more interview questions, placement preparation content. Also, let me know in the comments which Flutter topic you'd like to learn next. In the next video, we'll cover advanced Flutter interview questions, including state management, navigation, API integration, Firebase, asynchronous programming, and more. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.